Ever wondered if managing your money could be as simple as tapping a few buttons on your phone, even with a bank as established as Lloyds? If you're a Lloyds customer, or considering becoming one, and the idea of handling your finances from the comfort of your couch, during your commute, or even on holiday appeals to you, then you're in the right place. We're talking about the power of online banking, specifically with Lloyds, and how it can transform the way you interact with your money. Forget the days of waiting in lines or rushing to make it to the branch before closing. Imagine checking your balance instantly, paying bills with a few clicks, or transferring funds without ever leaving your home. But before we dive into the how, let's set the stage. Why is online banking such a game changer? In today's fast-paced world, convenience is king. We manage so much of our lives digitally, from ordering groceries to connecting with friends. Why should our finances be any different? Lloyds Online Banking offers unparalleled convenience, allowing you to stay on top of your accounts 24/7. It's secure, efficient, and surprisingly easy to set up once you know the steps. Think about it. No more lost statements, no more forgotten payment dates, and a clear, real-time overview of your financial health, all at your fingertips. So, how do you unlock this financial freedom with Lloyds? The process is straightforward, and we'll break it down into easy-to-follow steps. First things first, you'll need a few essentials. Make sure you have your Lloyds account details handy, including your sort code and account number. You'll also need a mobile phone capable of receiving texts, as this is crucial for security purposes during the registration process. Step 1. Head to the Lloyds Bank website, open your preferred web browser, and navigate to the official Lloyds Bank website. Be sure you're on a legitimate site to protect your personal information. You can usually find the link easily by searching Lloyds Bank on Google. Step 2. Locate the Register or Login section. Once on the website, look for a prominent button or link that says Register for Online Banking or Login. Often, there's a dedicated section for new users or existing customers to access their online accounts. Click on it. Step 3. Provide your personal details. The website will then guide you through a series of prompts asking for your personal information. This will typically include your date of birth, surname, and potentially your postcode. This information helps Lloyds verify your identity as an existing customer. Step 4. Enter your account details. You'll then be asked to input your Lloyds account details, such as your sort code and account number. This links your physical bank account to your new online banking profile. Step 5. Set up your security details. This is a critical step. You'll be prompted to create a username and a memorable password. Choose a strong, unique password that you haven't used elsewhere. Lloyds will also likely ask you to set up additional security measures, such as a memorable information or a specific image, for future logins. Pay close attention to these details and make a note of them in a secure place. Step 6. Verify your identity. Lloyds will send a one-time passcode, OTP, to the mobile number registered with your account. Enter this code into the designated field on the website. This step is a vital security measure to ensure that you are the legitimate owner of the account. Step 7. Complete the registration. Once your identity is verified, you will typically be presented with a confirmation message, and your online banking will be active. You will then be able to log in using your newly created username and password. And there you have it. You're now equipped to manage your Lloyds accounts online. From checking your balance and viewing statements to making payments and transferring funds, the digital world of banking is now at your fingertips. Take some time to explore the different features available. You might be surprised by just how much you can do. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.